This is 50-to-1 gas oil mix. And we'll put some bar oil in there. Alright, I want to tighten the chain up a little bit. Now, this is the first time I've had to tighten the chain since I bought it. So I've run about 4 or 5 tanks of gas out of it. And it just needs a slight adjustment. I like to adjust it to about a 1/4 inch of play on the bottom. I know that Poland chainsaws are really bad about this bar not being stable, and the chain keeps getting loose over and over again. This Echo's been great about these 2 nuts right here holding the bar in place, not letting it move. Alright, we should be good to go. This right here is the Echo CS310. It's got a 30.5 cc motor on it. It takes 50-to-1 oil. It's been a great chainsaw. The only experience I have with chainsaws are Poland chainsaws, the 18-inch, the Wild thing that they sell. And boy, they come out of the box, and usually they run a little while, but then you start having trouble cranking them up and keeping them running and stuff. I'm really pleased with this Echo. Really pleased with it. You buy them at Walmart for $199. It's a 14-inch. Let me show you what a good job it does. Push the choke in. Alright, now we need to talk about these spring poles. You see how the root ball is up in the air, these are on their side, and you can see the bow in them. Very, very, very dangerous. So these are to be treated like spring poles, and you need to cut from the bottom side and let it release all that tension. So we really have to be careful on this. press up a little bit, and we'll start on these other ones that are under tension also. All right, let's carefully cut this one out that's under tension. Run out of battery, so let me just cut through to the other side. That's what I wanted to accomplish. Alright y'all, so you see, let me turn it so you can see me. So you see I've got a lot left to do. I might videotape some more when I go to cut all these trees off my fire table. Thanks for joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.